All right, it is CPI data day today. We've got that coming out. That's going to be the big effect on the market. What else do we've got going on today? We've got the Empire State Manufacturing. That's going to tell us some of the health of the economy here. We're getting an expectation of 1 with a previous of 0.2, so that's a pretty big increase. We'll see if that actually comes in or not. That's going to have some big impact. In fact, that should already be in. And then we've got, let's see, in about half an hour, we've got Fed President Barkin, and then 2 hours after that, we got Fed President Williams, and then we've got Goolsbee as well as the beige book today. So we got three Feds in the beige book on deck today that will bring the hammer down with the microphone here as we go up, possibly. So we've got the CPI data here. We got core came in month over month at zero point 0.2, which was less than the expected at 0.3, so that's good. The year over year, though, came in at 3.3, which was as expected. So that is a little bit disappointing there. So as expected, not quite as good as the PPI, but the PPI is more forward looking. So the fact that the month over month is lower than expected, even with the year over year coming in as expected, that's still good because the PPI is showing that there's a forward looking lower inflation incoming. Headline rose zero point 0.4 as expected, bringing annual inflation to 2.9, which is also as expected. There's a softer month over month on the core CPI. That's good. Okay, so that could potentially give us an impact on the market. On Bitcoin, we're already up for the day 2.25%. We're back to 98,698. We get back up above these two candles right here from January 6th and 7th. We get above those, and this becomes a double bottom, and we go right back to the top to the top of the range here. So that's going to be pretty exciting. Where are we at in terms of these? Yeah, we're above the 50-day moving average again. That is fantastic. As long as we hold above the 50-day moving average, we have a chance of taking out these highs at 102, 1023 or maybe 1025, something like that. Let me zoom in a little bit, get a little closer to that. Yeah, about 102, somewhere between like 102.3 and 102.8. We get up above that, we're calling this a double bottom, and it's going to go right back to the top of the range, and we could even see it go up to like 115, 120,000 off of this double bottom move here. So that's pretty exciting actually for Bitcoin, especially when we take into account like these two, like this low right here on January 9th and this one here on December 30th came to the exact same like penny level. That's fantastic. We got a wick to scare out everyone here, that one last fear wick, and then if we can get up and above that 102 1025, 128, we're going to be having a really exceptionally good time. Let's see how the miners are doing today. Our miners, CleanSpark is up 6% today. We got 7% on IREN, Mars up 5%, Bit Digital up 6%, Bitfarms up 5%, CoreZ up 3%. We got Cypher up 5, Hut up 6, Wolf up 8. What about Can is 7, Bitdeer is 4. That is fantastic. We're seeing some good things. I'd like to come back, circle back maybe later today or probably tomorrow, honestly, because I think I've got some stuff I got to manage during my lunch break today instead of doing a video. So we'll come back and see if these hold through tomorrow, but this is actually very exciting to see. I like this. Very happy about this. Anyways, I was just doing a quick one this morning. That's all I've got for you today. Quick update on the CPI. It came in good, which means that we're getting a nice bounce off of that, and things are still driving higher off of that news. That's very exciting, and that is good to see. Keep an eye out for those Fed speakers. They could be looking to dampen this move later in the day, so this could bleed off later on. So be weary of that specifically. And with that said, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Check out the Trade Cave store, link in the description as well as the channel bio, and have a profitable day.